Dr. Serina Rahman, and I am one of the co-founders of Kelab Alami. Since 2008, we have been running an environmental education club in this Mukim Tanjung Kupang. And this then eventually evolved into a capacity building program for the local community. Children were trained as citizen scientists to begin with anyway, so that they can learn about the habitats, but also so that they can share the knowledge that they've gathered from the science and the elders and work as researchers and ecotourism guides.
Sesiapa saja boleh menjadi citizen science. Sebagai contoh, anda boleh mengkaji tentang cuaca ke, tentang pokok yang ada kat sebelah rumah anda ke, kaji tentang apa-apa orang kata yang bergerak macam haiwan-haiwan ke, tumbuh-tumbuhan ke, dan bila anda mengkaji orang kata secara asasnya pun itu dah dianggap sebagai citizen science.
Our local experts are the local community. It is usually these local communities that can spot changes in habitat, climate change signals and all of that faster than anyone else. So this is the strongest science that you can have. So we have done otter studies here, we've done dugong trail studies here, we've mapped the mangroves and the seagrass, but it was the community that was doing science. Its value is really in the experiential immersion, the in situ observation that scientists don't get. The idea is to empower the community to do it themselves.
Dan di Kelab Alami ni kita lebih terapkan kepada hands-on activity yang mana kami didedahkan dengan ilmu-ilmu berkaitan marine, berkaitan dengan alam sekeliling, bagaimana menjaga alam sekitar ni.
So there's lots of opportunities from across Southeast Asia because the issues that we are facing now are actually faced by a lot of communities in Southeast Asia. So there's a lot of sharing that we can do.